What is happening, guys? It's JP here from Crypto Hobby and making a video today on Kin and the mobile app that just came out that allows you to earn Kin tokens and in the future be able to spend them. And so first, let's just take a quick look at the market and see what's going on. We got in the 24-hour. Today is Saturday. July 21st. It's a lot of green. See a lot of green today, and in the 24-hour, which is great. It's always good for our motivation to see green, because we went a long time seeing red, and so we've got a lot of green today, and we have been lately seeing a lot of that. So it's always good, definitely for our own sanity. Bitcoin at 7,400, Ethereum at 466, Ripple's at 45 cents, EOS at $8, a little over, Stellar at 29 cents, Litecoin $84, Cardano 16.5 cents. All of those are up for the 24-hour and the 7-day. And it's just nice to see. So go down here a little bit further. Tron also up for the day and for the 7 days, and it's at 3.5 cents. Neo at $34. Monero at 131. Let's see. Binance coins at $12. Digibyte. I like Digibyte a lot. 4 cents, 4.5 cents. Also up, look at that, 28%. 28% for the 7-day. So look at that. This project's been around for a while, and these guys know what they're doing. Believe me, that's a good project. Believe me. So let's get down to, let's see, Verge. Verge is only not even 2.5 cents. Wow. But still up for the 7 days. Let's get down to Kin, which is what we're talking about today. Kin, where is Kin? There it is, number 69. So there you go. Price 3 zeros and a 199. So you figure out what that is. It's pretty cheap. So Kin, about flat for the last 24 hours, but for the 7 days, check this out. 51%. 51%. Okay. Honestly, in my opinion, all of these are going to go up a lot. All of these altcoins are going to go up from now until December. That's my opinion. I believe that we're going to be seeing a lot more of this green. I think that we're getting into a time now where it's going to start trending up all the way through the end of the year, and especially these coins that have been around for a while and that have, and there's a lot of them in there too that have their own blockchains. So, I'd keep a watch on those and the projects that have been around for a while, with experienced developers and a good team. That's what I would focus on, and that's one of the reasons why I like Kin, because they were started by Kick, which has been around for a long time, and I think they have really good plans on the horizon. So anyway, so let's take a look at it. If anybody doesn't know what Kin is, there's a video on their website. I'll leave a link down below. You can take a look at it, and it's pretty cool. It's a good project, and then you can look at their charts and everything on CoinMarketCap. But now they have come out with a way to earn Kin on your mobile phone, and I love apps that let you earn cryptocurrency on your phone. I love them, and because that's one of the reasons why I got into this in the first place, was to be able to either mine something or be able to earn cryptocurrencies with my phone or even with my computer. But mining now is not as easy as it was before, and it's more expensive and it's more complicated. But a lot of these apps like Electronium and now Kin, getting into it, letting you earn earn currency on your phone. I like that. I like it a lot. So I'm going to be talking about these a lot, and I just want to make sure people know, especially when there's updates and things. Now this one, the Kin app, is available on the Google Play Store, and you can download it as I did. And when you first open it, it's going to show you a screen like this, but actually it'll be like a welcome screen, and it's going to have your first survey that you're going to do down here. So I'll show you kind of what that looks like. My first survey, this is a history, recent transactions. My first survey, welcome to Kin, earned me 80 Kin, 80. So I did that, and it took about a couple minutes, maybe, not even that. And then, after you answer these questions, it gave me a few more, I think, on that day. Yeah, it did 3. So July 18th, I did 3 of them. 25 on this little survey and 25 on this one. And then it went to the screens that said, your next activity will be available tomorrow, which is this screen right here. Which you can't really see the letters because of there it is. Okay, it popped up. Okay, so anyway, so that was it. And then after that, each day I started going into this, and it was giving me other surveys to fill out. And so it was giving me 12. You can see this little survey took about 30 seconds. These little ones, 12 Kin, you get there. I got a bunch of those, and on the 19th, and then how many did I get on there? 1, 2, 3, 5, about 6 or 7 I got in a row of the little 12 Kin. And then this one, dress up time, and then Dunkin' Donuts survey gave me 50, which was nice. And then some more A or B's surveys, and each time you do it, you just get a little. So I started out with 0. I didn't transfer anything into here, and it just started accumulating. So now I have 310. So the object is going to be to accumulate these tokens by doing these surveys, and then you're going to have some vouchers over here, which I'll go over there, and I don't have any, but the coupons that we get will be saved over here. So to spend your Kin, you go on this little button down here, says spend, and then you'll have your coupons, and you can see So Yummy, 20% off cookbook, 200. You can spend it on that, or you can spend it on $5 AMC popcorn gift card for 500 Kin. I almost have enough for that. And then, or Amazon, you've got Amazon gift card you can do for 500. You can get a $5 Amazon card. $10 Google Play card, gift card, 1,000. Uber, $15 gift card, and so on. You got just different things you can. Airbnb, $25 gift card you can get for 2,500. So anyway, this is unique, and this is good. I like it. I like where it's going. And when you earn the Kin, when you're actually doing these surveys, you're answering questions, and I can see that there's a huge marketing potential there too. And we'll see how that goes and which direction they go with that. But I think that's going to give it a lot of value right now. That alone is probably going to, attract a lot of partnerships and businesses that are going to want to get in on this, because they're going to want the power of people answering these surveys. They're going to want that. Used to be in the old days, you could go on and sign up with these companies, and you could do it as like a little part-time job where you answer surveys and they pay you like $1 a survey or something, or $2 a survey. And people would just sit there and do that all day, and they'd make, like $100 or so. I don't know how much you can make doing it. It didn't seem like much. I checked it out at one time, but but people were doing that, and so I could see something like this catching on big time. It's not a huge amount of money, but it doesn't take a lot of time, and you're earning crypto, and so I think it's going to be good. I guess there's a support here if you want to email them. But yeah, I see the potential in this, and I like it. I love these mobile apps. I love them, and I'm an Android guy, so that's what you're seeing here. But anyway, so if you like the video, just give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you want. I'll be doing more videos. I've been out of touch for the last month or so, and so I haven't been doing a lot of videos, but I'm going to start doing these now, and updates on these. I like the mobile apps for Electroneum and for Tron. Tron came out with a mobile app. It might be a third-party developer that did it, but I like it, and I'm trying it out. So yeah, if you like what you see, just go ahead and subscribe, and shoot me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Take care. Bye.